Mason Davis, and Mountain Made Media I'm a new photographer in the area, and I'm just exploring what I like to do. Right now I do website design, content creation, social media management, photography obviously, and a little bit of videography. So I'm actually 7th generation White River Valley. It started when the Caldwells came out here and settled in the area, and my family has been here ever since throughout Meeker and Rangeley. I really feel like it helps a lot to be ingrained in this community with my business. So I feel like Meeker has, in one area, you have 4 different terrains or lands. You know, we have high desert, and then you go out to sagebrush fields, and then you go upriver and it's a forest, and then it's just an amazing place. So in 2019, my mom, my stepdad, and I bought Trappers Lake Lodge, and I was thrown into the world of website design and social media management, and that's just where I was put in our business, and it was perfect because I had 2 girls and I could stay at home and do this piece in the back. And my mom, I took all the pictures off of my iPhone for Trappers, and we would get compliments on our pictures all the time. And my mom kept pushing me. She's like, you should really go into photography. Like, you should really get a camera and make it something for yourself. And this was this last August in 2021. And I finally decided in November, I think it was November, to buy a camera. I love mini sessions, like what I'm about to do today. It's so fun because you get to bring in these themed areas and then capture people with these themes, and then you have a record of this is what my child looked like at Easter when they were 1, or you know. It kind of, in my opinion, sells itself. If people see your prints and you're putting, or not your prints, but your images out there, and they see the quality and your style, people with photography, they go after a certain style. And so as long as I'm putting my stuff out there, usually people come to me, or I tell them, I'm like, yeah, I'm doing photography. Like a social media management standpoint, I show them growth reports. Like with Trappers, the growth between even month to month is almost 200% every month. I have a studio coming soon.
Nice.
It is in the old Country Raised building, so 610 Main Street. And in there, I'll have my studio section, but I'm also building basically a business, like a storefront for all small businesses that don't have storefront. As long as it's handmade or locally sourced, you can consign your items in there or rent a floor space and put your items in there, and I work it and I'll sell your stuff for you.